Okay, this is what I've come up with as far as rerouting the front diff, rear transmission vent lines, and the fuel line vent line, so that contaminants would not get in there because they, of course, as stated earlier, dead end up underneath the wheel wells, etc. of the vehicle, which allows for a lot of splash, dust, contamination to get in there. There's no filters on them, so they get water and stuff sucked down your transmission, just like my fuel tank. Clogged up my vent line in my fuel tank, collapsed my fuel tank. Same with the front diff. These things are very, very susceptible to dirt. So what I've done is simply went down to the hardware store. I needed to do something like a snorkel, so it'd keep water out. And I looked at just getting a piece of conduit and bending it like a snorkel, and it was just going to be too elaborate, and it wasn't going to be strong enough. It was going to be sticking up real high like a frickin' boat hook up here. So I went, well, a weatherhead. An electrical weatherhead would probably work. So I went ahead and got an electrical weatherhead, and I got this is a inch and a quarter weatherhead, so that 2 tubes will fit up in there, no problem. And I got a inch and a quarter. I got a 1 to 3/4 inch reducer, and then of course I got a 3/4 inch threaded coupler, and of course the threaded coupler threads right up in there nice and tight. Okay, and what it does is, in my lock and load holes here, it will actually thread right down in there, real nice. And if I ever gotta remove it, boom, pops right out. But if it goes on nice and snug, all I have to do is just wiggle it, pops right out. Pull the filter stuff out of there, and etc. etc. So that's what I'm going with. Little weatherheads behind the seat for my gas tank vent line and my front and rear transmission vent lines.